Hi, I'm Norman Chevrette from Claflin Equipment Sales and Service Company. Today we're going to talk about the Ritter 204 table. Brand new table from Ritter. Of course, if this video is a year old, it won't be so new, but right now it's new. The Ritter 204 is the replacement to the 104, and they really did their homework on this table. You're going to find some features that I'm going to talk about here that are very nice. Huge improvement over the 104. The first improvement that I'm going to talk about is one that's not so visible. This top system is completely replaceable. It's simply 6, and you can't see them. They're on the back. There's 4 on the back and 2 on the seat. There are 6 little knobs, you might say, and you just turn them 90 degrees. And this whole top, and I don't know if you'll see it here, but there's 2 here, and 4 on the back. And this whole top will release. So down the road, 5 or 6 years down the road, after you've had enough construction workers slide off the seat with their screwdrivers in their pants and rip the top, after you've had that done a few times, then you can replace the top without replacing the whole cabinet. Because as you've probably seen yourself, where the table's in pretty good shape, the bottom cabinet, but the top is ripped up, it looks a little bad, and you feel bad about replacing the whole thing, but you, in the past, haven't had that much choice. Now, this product gives you that choice. Or simply, if you want to move your tables to a different location, and the color, you want to redecorate the office, and you want to go with a different color, you have that option too. So the 204, as opposed to the 104, gives you that flexibility of a replaceable top. Nice feature. The second nice feature on this table is the drawers. The drawers on the side of the table. Very nice drawers. They're one-piece construction, which means it's all one. It's all one piece inside here. That you would actually be able to hold gallons of fluid if you so elected. Of course, you won't do that. But the beauty of this is it's pass-through drawers. So you can take this drawer and it passes through to the other side. You can't see that directly. I'm going to move this table so you can see that. I'd like you to see that piece. Drawers here. Now it's there. Here. Now it's there. So, I guess. But that's an important feature. And why is that an important feature? Well, in years past, a table always came standard right-hand side. Meaning, as the patient laid on the table, the drawers were always on the patient's right side. In order to get a left-handed table, you have to order that as a custom table, and there was always mess-ups in that kind of order. Now, by having the drawers pass through, you won't run into that situation. No matter how you arrange the table inside of the room, if the drawers will always be accessible. I'm sure you've all seen a situation where you've had a table, and it ends up getting pushed against the wall in some way, and the drawers on the wrong side of the table. That will not happen on the 204. So that's an awfully nice feature. The third nice feature on this table is the capacity. This table now has a 500-pound capacity. I think the Ritter 104, David, was it 350 pounds? 350 pound capacity. And so this is a huge upgrade to that. It's cosmetically very pretty. You'll notice the top has what we call bolsters. It's just a pretty looking table. I'm going to turn this table back around so that way you can see the side. A little better. It also has a pneumatic assisted back. Runs very smooth. Has a spot for your table paper in the back here. It has, again, 3 drawers on the side and 2 drawers in the front. Again, one-piece construction on those drawers. Has stirrups, all plastic coated. Also, of course, has the leg extension, and under the leg extension is your drain pan. This table is shown with the pelvic tilt and the drawer warmer. Now that is an option, and you'll notice on our online tool that you can order it either way. So, be aware of that, particularly if you're an OBGYN and you want a drawer warmer and you want a pelvic tilt, make sure you order the 204 with tilt and heater. Otherwise, you would order just the basic table that would not have those two features. That's important. You'll see the same video on both 204 thumbnails. The next big feature on this is a much improved step, footstep. It's not only wider, it also has a base on here, so there's no leveraging action. It has legs here, so when you step on this, it's locking onto the floor surface. So that's a much nicer feature. It's also wider, makes it a little easier for the patients to get on and off the table. That has been a huge improvement. Slides in and out very easily. And again, the look. The look of the table is very, very nice. They did a very nice job on this table as far as cosmetically speaking. And that should, let me see, I have some points I want to make sure I get them all for you. Yeah, that about wraps up this table. So again, if you have any other questions, you can always call us. It comes in a lot of colors. You'll see the colors on the site. If you have any other questions, feel free to call us at 1-800-338-2372, and we'll be glad to answer your questions 24 hours a day. So thank you very much.